Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a lovely prawn curry. So why wait, let's get started and check out the ingredients. For the prawn curry, first I'm going to grind a masala paste. For this, take 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon peppercorns, 8 Kashmiri Red Chilies, a few cloves of garlic, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a piece of soaked tamarind. First I'm going to grind this without adding any water. So I'm going to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of thick coconut milk. If you need more, you can add a little more to get a nice smooth paste. The paste is done. Now I've added a little more coconut milk to get that nice smooth paste. Take a white saucepan. To this add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, you can add refined oil or gingerly oil. 1 large onion finely chopped. To this add 1 large piece of ginger finely chopped. The onions are nice and brown. Next I'm going to add 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped. After about 2 minutes, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add the masala paste. I'm just going to add some water. So add about 2 cups of water. Boil for a few minutes till the raw smell goes. The gravy has been boiling for about 10 minutes now. So once the raw smell goes, add the shelled, deveined and cleaned prawns. Now I have about 250 grams of large prawns here. I'm going to add this. Now close the pot and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. So I'm going to check if the prawns are done. Yeah, the prawns are cooked beautifully. Now just finally add some curry leaves. Turn off the stove. Prawn curry is ready to be served. So this prawn curry is best had with some nice hot steamed rice, and if you prefer, you can also enjoy it with some appam or idiyappam. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.